Hello dear students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video I have already completed the chapter number 3, and today's video I am going to start the next topic that is given in your New Chapter English Reader book, that is a poem. And in this poem we will learn about the elephants, okay, because the title of this poem is Make Room for Elephant. So student, first of all you all take out your New Chapter English Reader book, okay, and open poem Make Room for Elephant. So dear student, before this poem we have already completed 2 poems of this book. So it's a third poem that is given in your New Chapter English Reader book. So first of all I will read, and after that I will explain this beautiful poem to you, okay, and after that one by one I will explain the whole exercises of this poem. So without wasting time, let us start the reading of this poem. We are going to recite this poem, okay. So this poem is I Know the World's a Crowded Place. The title of this poem is Make Room for Elephants. Make Room for Elephants. And we are going to recite this poem. That is the first line. I know the world's a crowded place, and elephants do take up space. But if it makes a difference, Lord, I'd gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too, a baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too, there's dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. To elephants is more the kind, but I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father come to stay. One more time we are going to recite this poem again. Let's again start the poem. So I know the world's a crowded place, and elephants do take up space, but if it is make a difference, Lord, I'd gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too, there's dad's garage, he wouldn't mind. To elephants he's more than kind, but I wonder what our mom would say if the elephant's father come to stay. Okay student, so dear student, it's completed of reading. Now we going to explain this poem, okay. We have completed the reading, so this time I'm going to explain this poem to you. So in the beginning of the poem Make Room for Elephants, the poet says that the world is full of crowded, okay, full of crowd of people, and some animals of crowded, because of crowded, some animals have the space for live like the elephants because of the crowd, okay. And the poet of this poem imagined that if the world maker makes elephants in a small size or shape like tiny animals, then the poet felt very happy and he shared his room and meals with animals like elephants, okay. And further the poet says that if a baby elephant come into his room, he gladly accepted him, but when he brought his mother, he kept them in the dad's garage. But what happened that time when his father comes too? Student, as you can see at your screen, there is a I know the world's a crowded place, and elephants do take up space, but if it makes a difference, Lord, I'd gladly share my room and board. A baby elephant would do, but if he brings his mother too. And the next line is when the baby elephant bring his mother, so that time the poet says that the baby elephants come with his mother, so the father of the poet doesn't mind about this. If the little elephants bring his family, then the poet will be surprised that what happened that time when the baby elephants bring his father too. So what would be said to his mother, okay student. So this is the poem about of elephants, and this beautiful poem written by Ruskin Bond, Okay, this beautiful poem written by Ruskin Bond, who was very popular for his this beautiful poem Make Room for Elephants. Okay student, so dear student, through this poem we will able to keep attention towards animals, because we all know that there are some animals who is in a very bad condition. So student, through this poem we have learned that we should always keep caring for the animals, and we will be kind towards them. Okay student, and we always to be helpful for the animals. Okay student, so this is the poem. Now we moving to the exercises. Okay student, so let's move to the exercises, that is exercise A, which is given on page number 32. So what will we do in this exercise? So it's a question answer. In exercise A there is an answer this question. So student, you have to take out your copy and start the writing of this question answer in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student, you must be remember that your handwriting should be neat and clean. Student, first of all we have to learn this given question, and after that we have to write answer according to the question. So the questions are, first question is what kind of a place is our world? Second is why do elephants take up space? Third is what is the child willing to do make a difference in this crowded world? Fourth is what will the child's father not mind? Why? Fifth is I wonder what our mom would say. Does the child think her or his mother would be happy or angry? Give reason for your answer. And number 6 says what kind of poem is this? Did you enjoy it? Give a reason for your answer. Okay students, so let's do the question answer. So first of all you all take out your copy and mention date of today, and after that we will start the writing. Okay student, we are going to write the question answer. So first of all we have to write exercise A, answer this question. Okay, so first question is what kind of a place is our world? So the answer will be our world is a crowded place. Our world is a crowded place. Okay, now the second question is why do elephants take up space? Question number 2 is why do elephants take up space? So the answer will be elephants took up space because they are largest animal on the land. Elephants took up space because they are largest animals on the land. Now the third question is question number 3. What is the child willing to do to make a difference in this crowded world? So what will we write? We have to write the answer, that is the child is willing to share his room, meals and dad's garage with elephants to make a difference in this crowded place. The answer will be the child is willing to share his room, meal and dad's garage with elephants to make a difference in this crowded place. Okay, so like this you have to write answer of question number 3. Now the moving to the next question, that is question number 4. In question number 4 the question is what will the child's father not mind? Why? The question number 4 is what will the child's father not mind? Why? So the answer will be the child's dad would not mind to keep elephant's mother in his garage because he is kind towards them. The answer of question number 4 is the child's dad would not mind to keep elephant's mother in his garage because he is kind towards them. Okay students, so like this you have to complete question number 4. So now the next is question number 5. Moving to the next question, that is question number 5. So in question number 5 the question is I wonder what our mom would say. Does the child think her or his mother would be happy or angry? Give reason for your answer. So the answer will be the child thought that his mother would be angry because there was no enough space for elephant's father to be accommodated. Okay student, the answer will be the child thought that his mother would be angry because there was no enough space for elephant's father to be accommodated. So now the next question is question number 6. In question number 6, what kind of poem is this? Did you enjoy it? Give a reason for your answer. Student, the question number 6 is, what kind of a poem is this? Did you enjoy it? Give a reason for your answer. So the answer will be, this poem shows that how we should show love, care and kindness toward the animals. And yes, I enjoyed the poem very much as it gives the message of spreading love and making variation in the world. Okay student, so in this question you can see there is a two question. First is, what kind of a poem is this? So you have to write, this poem shows that how we should show love, care and kindness toward the animals. And next is, did you enjoy it? Give a reason for your answer. So we have to write, yes, I enjoyed the poem very much as it gives the message of spreading love and making variation in the world. Okay students, so like this you have to complete the question answer of this poem. Now we moving to the next. So student, next exercise is exercise B. So what will we do in this exercise? So student, it is about of suffix and prefix. Okay, we have already learned about the suffix, what is suffix is. So one more time we going to learn that what is suffix. So let's have a quick overview on this topic. So there is a letter or letters such as Y, AL, TION, FUL, ABLE, LY can be added to the end of words to change their meaning. Such letters group are called suffix. Okay, and in this exercise B, we have to add the suffixes like Y, ER, ABLE, FUL, EN or EST to the word within the brackets. Fill in the blanks with the new words. Okay student, so let's do the given exercise. So in number 1, that was a dash, there is a given word in the bracket, wonder meal. So we have to add here FUL. Okay, here we have to add the suffix that is FUL. So the word will be wonderful. That was a wonderful meal. Okay, now the next is Sahin's mother is a famous dash paint. So student, we have to add the suffix that is ER. So the word will be painter, PAINTER, painter. Now the next is third, Dinesh is very dash, there is a word like in the brackets, person. Okay, so we have to add ABLE, so it will be likable. Dinesh is a very likable person. Fourth is, you can use mashed potato to dash, there is a word thick, the soup. So here we have to add the suffix that is ER. So the word will be thicker. You can use mashed potato to thicker the soup. Okay. Fifth is, Reena has bought a very dash, there is a word colorful scarf. So there is a word color, so we have to add the suffix that is FUL. So the word will be full, FUL, full. Reena has bought a very colorful scarf. Okay, number 6, we spent a very dash, there is a word enjoy, day at the beach. So in enjoy we have to add the suffix that will be ABLE. So the word will be enjoyable. We spent a very enjoyable day at the beach. Okay, number 7, which is the dash closed planet to the sun. So here we have to add ST. Okay, we have to add ST, that will be closest. Now the next, number 8, the yellow paint will dash bright up your bedroom. So here we have to add the suffix that is EN. Okay, the given word letter is EN. So the word will be brighten. The yellow paint will brighten up your bedroom. Now the next is number 9. In number 9, the African elephant is the dash, there is a word in brackets, large land animal. So here we have to add the suffix that is EST. So it will be largest. Okay, the African elephant is the largest land animals. Now the next is last one. It has been cloudy and windy all day. I am sure it will rain tonight. Okay, there is a given word in the bracket that is cloud and winds. So in both words we have to add the letter Y. We have to add the suffix letter Y. Okay students, so like this we have to complete this exercise B. So dear student, I hope is that clear to you that how could you write exercise A in your notebook and how would you complete this given exercise B in your book. So student, that's it for today, and I will explain the next remaining exercises that is exercise C and D in my next video. There is a E also. I will explain this given remaining exercises in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. And your homework is you have to complete the exercise E in your notebook and also learn this beautiful poem, Make Room for Elephants. Okay student? Thank you.